avoid HC Verma if you are a dropper, because HC Verma is more towards J and for NEET it's not a good option. My 11th class syllabus in about 4 months, my 12th class syllabus in about 2 months. मॉड्यूल्स पे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स भी आ जाते हैं जो हमें रीड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट हाँ NCERT के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमें रीड करना होता है. Hello future doctors, it is my pleasure to have you here. So before diving into our today's main topic, that is ultimate resources for NEET preparation, let me first introduce about myself, as this is the first video on my YouTube channel. You may directly skip into the resources part to save your time. So this is Anuja Adek. I secured 691 marks in NEET UG 2024, 97.8 percentile in JEE Mains 2024, 97.4% in 12th boards. I took one drop to clear NEET. After 12th, I secured 608 marks with an All India rank of 24,272 in NEET UG 2023. So I participated in counselling hoping for a government medical college, but after declaration of round 3 results, all my hopes were completely shattered, as the cutoff for general category was 23.5k something, and I was at All India rank of 24.2k.
अरे गॉड 19-20 का तो फर्क है बस. यहाँ कोई है तो यस गॉड 19-20 का फर्क है. 19-20 का फर्क है. 19-20 का फर्क है. 19-20 का फर्क है. इसमें उसमें 19 लाख का फर्क है.
So I again decided to restart my NEET preparation. I had only 7 months for my NEET preparation, for completing my 11th and 12th syllabus plus revision plus mock test and all. I managed completing my 11th class syllabus in about 4 months and my 12th class syllabus in about 2 months, in a detailed manner, not in one shot manner. I solved at least hundreds of mock tests, including part syllabus and the practice test, full syllabus test, PYQs and all. So this was all about my drop year journey in short. Let's now directly dive into our today's main goal, that is ultimate resources for NEET preparation. I used very limited content for my NEET preparation. Starting with physics, I followed my coaching's module for a basic theory and question practice, then a PYQ's book containing previous 10 years questions, and for theory, I read NCERT and not even the whole chapters, just summary and points to ponder of the chapters, and I read the whole chapter of semiconductors from NCERT as well as from HC Verma. Now, if you have not joined a coaching and you want a question practice, then you can solve MTG's NCERT at your fingertips, or DC Pandey or errorless physics. You may avoid HC Verma if you are a dropper, because HC Verma is more towards J and for NEET it's not a good option. And also remember that you have to read your notes and DPPs provided by your teachers at least 4 to 5 times. I also solved JEE Mains PYQs, 4 to 5 years PYQs, that's it. Then talking about chemistry. So chemistry has 3 sections: inorganic chemistry, organic and physical chemistry. For physical chemistry, I just followed my coaching modules. I also read NCERT of few chapters, but I mainly followed my coaching modules for theory and question practice, and then PYQs, that's it. Then for organic chemistry, I followed NCERT plus my coaching modules. कोचिंग मॉड्यूल्स पे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स भी आ जाते हैं जो हमें रीड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट हाँ NCERT के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमें रीड करना होता है, एंड क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस के लिए कोचिंग मॉड्यूल्स बहुत बेटर ऑप्शन है. देन टॉकिंग अबाउट इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. सो फॉर इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आई जस्ट फॉलोड NCERT, and for question practice I just solved PYQs, that's it. Didn't even read my coaching module. In case you have not joined any coaching, then you may solve the questions from MTG's NCERT at your fingertips. That will be sufficient for NEET. Then talking about biology. सो बायोलॉजी में तो NCERT ही करनी है, ठीक है, और कुछ मॉड्यूल पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बाकी हाँ नोट्स पढ़ना है, अगर NCERT बेस्ड नोट्स है तो बिल्कुल पढ़ना है. नोट्स, PYQs, DPPs, NCERT आर मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स. सो दैट्स इट. This much limited content I used during my NEET preparation, due to which I secured 690 plus marks. इसके अलावा कुछ पढ़ने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, because NEET is a very easy exam on the basis of difficulty level. So that's all about my today's video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm also going to share my strategies by using which you will stay ahead of the current competition. In this channel, I'm going to upload videos related to NEET, JEE board exams, other competitive exams, etc. I'm also going to share my strategies, some tricks of time management, efficiency, consistency, mock test analysis and all. Thanks for watching. Conquer NEET and career status quo.